Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making the geometric diamond shape wall hanging, and this is a very simple tutorial and all you need to know are 2 knots. So let's get started. As you can see, just to speed things along, I've strung up my strings with the Larks Head knot. And how you make that, you fold your rope right in half, find the exact center, you pull that loop over the dowel, through the loop here, back down, and pull it tight. Now, how I've strung these, because if you noticed just before, they're all cut to different lengths, 2 of each side. So it goes from smallest, so these are the 60-inch, these are the 75-inch, these 2 are the 90-inch, 105, 115, 130, and then the very center 2 are the 145-inch, okay? So that's because these 2 are going to be doing the most knotting. We're going to be doing the least knotting from the outside. So we're going to start with 1 full row of square knots. How you do a square knot, you take 2 of the Larks Head knot, the center 2, and just like that. Okay, so we do it once from the left, and then we finish it from the right. So figure 4 over top of the center 2, we pull the other working rope over that one, behind, through, and pull it up. So I'll do that one more time. Take 4 ropes, the outer 2 will be your working rope, do sort of a figure 4 over top, we pull this one over, behind, through the loop. So we just worked from the left, and now we're going to work from the right. Okay, so each square knot is once from the left and once from the right to finish it off. Okay. Okay, so now you can see we've done the full row of square knots. We've pulled them up tight so that these are snug and secure. And now what we're going to do, we're going to bring it down into a V using alternating square knots. So for each row, I'm going to take away 2 ropes the entire way down. So I'm going to be joining these 2 together. So I'm going to take 2 from the right, 2 from the left, and do the exact same thing, the square knot, okay? And I'm going to do an entire row like this. Okay, so now that we've done the first V shape coming down and we've left 2 out every single rope, we're going to start to do the same. We're going to do the opposite. So we're going to be adding 2 rope to every row, and we're going to make a diamond shape. Okay, so to start, I'm going to take 2 from this center one, 2 from over here, and I'm going to do the first row coming out. So we're going to do that just down here. And you want to make sure while you're doing this one, because the side ropes are quite important for the overall look, that both sides tension in these parts that are going to come down are as close as you can get them to the same. Okay. And now we're going to do the next row. First, I'm going to join these 2 in the middle. Now I take these two and these two. Okay, so as you can see, I've brought the square knots, the alternating square knots, all the way out to the edges, and I just took my time to make sure that all of these were taut, not leaving any loose, so it had nice straight lines right there. And now all we're going to do is the same as we did up here, or the opposite of here, and once again we're going to bring it down into the V, and with every row we're going to leave two out on the ends, okay? So now you can see the first diamond is completely done, and we're going to repeat the exact same thing as we've done up here and make one more diamond. So starting here, and remember, making sure these are tight on both sides so that we get those nice straight lines across there. Now we're just going to trim up these edges here, and then we'll be done.